Subject-verb agreement with collective nouns. Collective nouns refer to groups of people, animals, or things considered as a single unit or entity. However, depending on the context, the verb agreement can be either singular or plural. Singular verb, when the collective noun refers to the group as a whole, as a single unit, you use a singular verb. Example, the team is winning. Here, the team is treated as one unit working together. Plural verb, when the collective noun refers to the individual members of the group acting separately or independently, you use a plural verb. Example, the team are arguing. Here, the individuals within the team are acting separately, so a plural verb is used. Explanation: the key is whether the collective noun is viewed as a single entity or as separate individuals. This helps decide whether to use a singular or plural verb. Here are 5 practice exercises. You have 5 seconds to solve it. Write in the comments below how many correct answers you got. Choose the correct verb to complete each sentence based on the subject-verb agreement rules for collective nouns. 1. The family are planning a vacation this summer. Answer: the family is planning a vacation this summer. Explanation: the family is acting as a single unit. 2. The band are performing at the concert tonight. Answer: the band is performing at the concert tonight. Explanation: the band is seen as one group performing together. 3. The team are arguing about which strategy to use. Answer: the team are arguing about which strategy to use. Explanation: the individuals in the team are arguing with one another. 4. The team are working hard to finish the project on time. Answer: the team is working hard to finish the project on time. Explanation: the team is functioning as a single entity. 5. The staff are meeting to discuss new policies. Answer: the staff is meeting to discuss new policies. Explanation: the staff is considered as one unit attending the meeting. Find 10 more practice exercises on my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Give a thumbs up and subscribe for more English practice exercises.